Hello guys, so today we're gonna be playing 99 Nights in the Forest. Oh, there's a wolf. It's an alpha wolf. Alpha wolf. Is that a shotgun? There's a shotgun. I wanted over here. Stop, bro. You're stupid. I think I need one. Oh, yes, I got this. A lot of how to take. I'm a got him. The boxes. Oh, the hook shot?
No, that's mine.
Oh, no.
I want that. It's a hook shot. No,
oh, that's your hook shot? This is your hook shot?
No, it was mine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mine.
Who was it? Oh. Was it him? Who was it then?
Yeah, it was mine.
Giving a lot of...
No friendly fire. Yeah, well, just give it have a hook shot back. What's mine? Why do you want my hook shot back?
Okay.
Fine. Well, my hook shot, go get it.
Guys, I think I just killed the monster. I think I just killed the monster.
Jonathan! I found the hook shot!
He's over here.
Jonathan, I found the hook shot!
Can I have it? Hey, can I have the hook shot?
Thank you! Stop!
Wait. Oh, I'll just
Any last words?
chicken.
Bro, it's empty. It's empty. I'm just kidding. It's empty.
Chicken.
Chicken, guys, Pennsylvania, social media, yeah. The chick who loves me online. We're vibing.
Let's go.
That's a problem.
I'm a new soul who came in this train, giving a lot of how to give and how to take. That's mine, bro. That's mine. Good boy,
Stop finding everything to do.
bro. This is literally mine.
If that's yours, then the chicken is mine.
Yeah,
Giving a lot of how to.
Yo, you're right.
26,000, that's pretty good.
27,000? Wait, where's that money off this? Yeah, I know it's meant to do that. Chill, Froggy, chill, Froggy, chill, Froggy. You ain't chill, buddy.
Bro, it's a no PvP lobby.
Yeah, but I'm making this.
Go DJ. give and how to take.
Oh no, I've got a key.
Where'd the crate? I had a crate somewhere. But it's like this. No more. Marma and Madung. Can I put this in the bowl? Put this in the cover. What can I put in the bowl? A lot of how to give and how to share. Don't worry, I got this. Oh, he's dead. Oh my god, it duplicated.
Well, I have a shield. I don't need it.
Oh no. He died. The double shield. I need some chicken. Thanks for free chicken. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Stop hitting me, dummy.
I'm a who came in this strange world, learning how to there's a black monkey chasing.
No, don't sacrifice yourself. Whoa, no.
The fire is hot tonight. Tree log, go! How the tree?
Let's get the tree monster!
Go Ashley thought he could. Marma.
There's
Grandma! Come on, Grandma.
I got from the lake area. You saw a big blue thing, and I saw this key, so I went to get it. Don't sit
I
away.
wanna die. Throw it at me.
Guys, come, guys.
Please give me an
Guys, I'm gonna blow up it. I'm gonna blow up 999. I'm gonna blow up. Everyone, come to forest. Come to forest, guys.
Please give me an axe.
Guys, I'm gonna go blow up forest real quick.
Yo, wait.
I want an axe.
Mama.
Can I please have that?
Well, bro, you know that you're gonna give me booty. Sell it.
I think we can do it with 3 people.
Once it broke me to the 99 night thing.
Wait a minute, I'm trying to think of something real quick. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go get the egg real quick.
Yo, wait.
I'm gonna go in 99 nights only to get the egg.
Oh, thanks.
I'm learning a little better how to give it to. I'm a new world learning a lot about how to give and how to take. Marma. Dude. got you.
And I got you the bike.
And give you back, I promise.
I'm a beautiful.
Hey, you can get your own if you join the card. I got you. Secret this tiny thing on it, and then you can get it join back.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Can I
Oh, that's 99 nights though.
like